you use the zoom of your DJI Pocket 4, this is a digital zoom, but it is lossless up to 2x. You can simply use the button just right here that will zoom at 2x. If you press it again, it will go back to normal. You can see the zoom level just right here. Right here. Then if you press the custom button, by default, when you press it once, it will change the joystick control between zoom and between control tilt. So like that, by default, it does control tilt. And if you press the custom button here, it will switch to zoom, from where you can zoom up to 4 times, which I do not recommend because it is lossless up to 2x. So above that, you can simply stop zooming at 2x and then in post-prod zoom in your video editing software. It should be about, I did not test it, but it should be about the same loss in quality. So by not going over 2, well, you keep that control for later. So I hope this was helpful.